Hello, my name is Jasprit Sandhu and I'm part of the pre-sales team at Riverbed UK. In this short video, I'll explain how Riverbed security solutions can help secure the modern IT environment, avoiding business disruptions for our oil and gas customers. In this use case, you will also see how an integrated and full fidelity data provided by our solutions help identify the unknown. This also includes knowing the threat detections, triaging, and finding the mean time to resolutions with our security workflows. What you see over here is a dashboard provided by Riverbed's NetProfiler flow monitoring solution. It also has a license capability of security workflows and a threat feed. The one I'm interested in today is SUNBURST Backdoor. What I can do with this information and threat feed is I can probably run an investigation for the last 1 day to see if I was affected by this threat. The report gets generated really quickly because it's just last 1 day, and I see no traffic or no detection in that particular time frame. I can go back years with this flow monitoring solution. So I can say, let's start last 1 year to see if I was ever affected by this SUNBURST backdoor. I run this report. The analytics system on NetProfiler automatically calculates how much time it will take to run the report and gives an approximation of how long is remaining. And you see it was quite quick, and the report is getting generated. And there it is. This is what I wasn't expecting. But I do see that in July, there are some threat detected for this SUNBURST backdoor. Looking at the clients that were involved, this is one of the clients that is in my servers infrastructure, and this is talking to some external servers, which I do not expect to happen. So I'm suspicious already. To confirm my suspicion, I can go a step deeper into the actual packets that were collected for this machine. And this is done by our packet analysis solutions that are deployed in data center. What I'm going to do is run application stream analysis onto this packet capture appliance, which is sat in the data center. And as you saw, I just right-clicked on a flow data and contextually took all the information from there, filtered by the time frame and the filtering that I was already picking up and looking at just that information or just that particular host. This is really powerful to be able to go via context from one workflow to another helps save a lot of time when you're triaging and troubleshooting something. I can see a summary of information for this particular host. I can also see what applications were involved, and I see SSL and DNS during this conversation for this particular host. Riverbed solutions also provide some external links for every thread we feed into the security workflows, and you can get more information of what to look for in the network data. What you're looking at here is that information on this SUNBURST backdoor attack. And if you look at more details, you'll see it's some sort of DNS traffic, which is even solidifying my suspicion. To further confirm that it is the attack, I have to look for this information in some of the DNS queries that were made. To do that, I can download the packets that are for this particular host into our analyzer. This download again contextually takes all the information and filters it down to the time frame and the host filter and shows me the traffic. As I said, there are some external communications. What I can do further is I can look at the sequence diagram of this communication. Sequence diagram is like a bounce diagram. It shows me servers and clients and what communications happen between them. And if you look at it, this is showing me all sorts of traffic. I'm not interested in HTTP or TCP. I'm interested in DNS. and there are some DNS queries that were made. If I look at the DNS queries that were made, I can look further into the packets and see what were those DNS queries. Once this view gets fetched, you will see these are the queries, and my suspicion is confirmed that this was an attack where I was attacked because I can see the same address as was listed in the information provided by the external link. So what the next task would be to make sure the systems are patched and are secure enough so that this attack doesn't happen again. Switching from flow analysis to packet analysis to diving deep into the packet level data and with context, which is very key, and it is one of our typical workflow in any network analysis or security analysis solutions. And if you invest in something that is not capable of doing this, a lot of time is wasted in troubleshooting and finding the mean time to resolution. I hope this was informative, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.